So let's start from where we left last time. So now we are going to create a static site for one of the pre-existing themes. So the easiest way is to search for Hugo Themes in Google. So you need to find this link over here. So let's get there. So there is plenty of themes to choose from. Again, you have some tags here to help you select the themes you like. Each of the theme is again pretty simple. You need to follow the same exact steps, but some of these themes could have a little bit of different instructions, but they do a pretty good job of documenting everything inside these themes. So for this demo, let me pick the same theme which I'm using for my personal blog. And also we'll do one more example just to get you some practice. So I'm looking for a Hugo refresh theme. So this is the one. So if you want to look at, before you download anything, you can take a quick look at the demo site to see how it looks, to see if you're happy with it. One of the reasons I like this is because it's pretty simple, and that's what I need. I don't need too flashy websites. I need something simple which I can just get on with it. So most of the time you'll have a getting started guide. So let's follow these instructions and build this simple website. So I'm just going to call mine demo blog, and then we'll just go to the demo blog and see the files that it created for us. So this config.toml is a critical file, so there are two types of configuration files Hugo supports. One is the toml and one is the YAML files, YAML. For this demo, I think this developers used an YAML file. So let's delete that file. So I'm going to delete the YAML file here. And then we need to go get this file and create it here. So let's browse to the site. And once you're there, just do a Control-A on Windows and then copy it. And then back on your command prompt, you can just call config.yaml. Just make sure the spelling is exactly as you see there. And then you want to create the file and then just do a Control-V to paste it. So once you do that, so you have that file, and then Hugo server. What Hugo server does is it starts a mini web server. So what a web server is, it is something that will let you test your website locally on your machine before you publish it. It also supports auto refresh. So when it's running, you can make changes to the website and it will be reflected in real time. So again, let's take a look at that. I'll explain this -d part shortly, but at a high level, this -d will also show you all the draft posts that are in your website. So let's copy this. Interesting. There is Hugo server -d. There's an error. Oh, I'm sorry. I think we missed these two steps. My bad. So let's create this init. And also let's create this submodule. Again, you don't have to understand too much on these git commands. Just follow it. Our goal is to create a simple website which we can run it for our lifetime without paying anything. Okay, and now I think if you run Hugo server -c, okay, it says there are 3 pages by default, and so it says to browse to this site to take a look at it. So you can copy this and then open in a browser. Okay, did you see how simple that was? You just added like a few commands, and you have a simple website which you can publish online. So let's make a few changes, right? So that you can, I'll show you like how you can grab the sample site from there, so that it has some kind of a default menus here, so you can easily work with this. So let's do that. So if you look here, the reason you don't see anything is because this is just a pure vanilla site, and you can create menus from scratch. But it's always good to start with some kind of a baseline. So you can copy the example site which is listed here. So if you look here, there's an example site which is under themes. So let me show you how it looks like. So if you go to demo blog, themes, you go refresh, and there's an example site. So basically we'll be copying this default content to our site, and then we can make changes from there on. So let's do that. So that's what this command is doing here. So this is the website which is currently running on your local machine. Okay, copy is not a Windows command. I believe this might work. Let's give it a try. Copy. Okay, so this is Linux specific. So I think another easy way is to just go and do it manually. Just copy the content from the example site, and then just overwrite it here. So did you see what happened here? As soon as I copied it, like I said before, this is a feature called hot refresh. It just changed the website on the fly. So you did get an about me page, and then you also got a page with a few blogs or articles, and there is also submenus which is listed here, which is pretty cool. Again, to do something like that in WordPress, I mean, it's not complicated, but I will show you how you can start automating the blog creation, because this all supports Markdown syntax. Markdown is one of the easiest way to write blog articles. So you don't have to worry about messy HTML code. You just have to remember like 6 or 7 Markdown code. Actually, you don't even have to know that. I will show you a tool which makes it much easier. So I think this is a good point to stop this video. So I will continue where we left in the next video to show you how you can customize this website to make it your own, right? So until then, see you.